Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a 1970 Pontiac Firebird. It's a Revell kit, 124 scale, skill level 3. And this is kit number 8544-89. I'm sorry, 85-4489. Whatever it said there on the box. This is a newer kit, come out in 2019. And here's some info on the kit that's actually included. Not a whole lot of pictures on this one. Here's a couple. That's decent looking. Looks like we're going to get two different options for wheels, some Firestone tires, nicely detailed engine compartment. Let's go ahead and get right into this one. Hope everyone's having a great day. I want to thank you for stopping by. Get you set up there. As of the time that this video come out, I've had this kit for a little while. It's one of my favorite cars. I used to have a 72 Firebird, same body style. Mine had the 350, I believe it was, in it. This one I think is the 455. Although this is just Firebird, it doesn't say Trans Am on it. So let's see what it says over here. This one comes with the 400 motor, 400 cubic inch. All right. Alrighty, right off the top we have some glass, clear glass, front windshield with molded in sun visors, back window, and two headlights. We'll go ahead and leave that right in the box, in the bag. And we also have some tires. Oh, it looks like we get two sets of tires. Now, this is pretty cool. These are no name tires, it looks like, no branding at all on them. And then this set is black wall on one side and then raised white letters on the other side, what they call pad printed. It says Firestone wide ovals. Those are really nice. Those are going to look sharp on this kit. And then the body I have molded in white. Let's see if I can pull you back a little bit. Nope, that's the other back. Let's try the other back. There we go. That's it. Okay. And the body and the clear red lights, which probably the tail lights, are also included in this bag right here. Here's the body. Very nice. One of my favorite body styles. It does have molded in spoilers on it. That's a little disappointing for me because I was hoping to have just a stock look, but that's okay. I can either trim them off or just deal with it. Very nice. Kind of simple. Decent thickness, not real heavy, but it's decent. Has molded in marker lights, rectangle ones, little scoops on the sides. And then for lights we have just the tail lights with two little buttons on there. I'm going to go ahead and just put it right back in the bag, just to help keep it protected. Next we have a bag full of white molded parts, or molded in white parts, however you want to say it. Boy, not many pieces in this kit. Here's the interior tub with the molded in brake and fuel pedal. Minimal detail on the door panels, molded in rear seat. Flip it over, we got the dashboard, which decent looking, a lot of detail there. 5-bladed fan, coolant hose, the side mirrors. Here's a hood scoop, some wheel backings, engine block for that 400 Pontiac with transmission, the heads, fan belt and pulleys, distributor. Looks like an upper and lower part of the carburetor, A little bit of a raised intake manifold. And the chassis with a subframe connected to it. And then looks like I think this is the bottom of the hood. It comes down to meet the top of the top of the carburetor. The way it looks, I'm not positive on that. We'll see when we get in the instructions on that one. Part number 48. I mean, I know it has to do with the air cleaner, but I don't know if it attaches to the top of the engine or if it attaches to the bottom of the hood. Then we have the bucket seats for the fronts, and then the backs of the bucket seats right there. Excuse me. We have the rear tail panel. It says Pontiac right across there. Sorry guys, I was just doing some painting and cleaning up with some lacquer thinner. Fumes got to me. Here we go with the lower suspension. The steering wheel, very distinctive for the Firebird. Some exhaust manifolds. Radiator and fan shroud, all built in. Some shock absorbers, the rear end with the exhaust, leaf springs, all that included. And these are the little deals that go through the wheel backings to attach the axles. Here's your hood with the cutout already in it. Wow, sorry, I'll have to edit that out. Here's a lower part of the rear end with the drive shaft, real skinny little drive shaft. Beautiful front end, very nice looking, and looks like a Camaro style spoiler, 3-piece spoiler. But 3-piece for the Camaro didn't start till 1971. This is a 70 Firebird. I wonder if it was the same piece that crossed over. Alrighty. Because remember, the 70 Camaro had the spoiler of a 69 Camaro, which was just one solid piece that attached just to the trunk lid, and the 3-piece attaches to the edges of the rear quarters on both sides and the trunk lid. Look it up, I'm not kidding. I don't make that up. Alright, here's the front grille and headlights. Looks like power steering pump and alternator. That's kind of cool. Nice wheels. These are the stock rims. I don't remember what they called them, like rally wheels or whatever they were. Valve covers, rear bumper, right? Tail tips, exhaust pipe tips, shifter, the mirror inserts for the side mirrors, rear view mirror, and license plate. Yeah, not a whole lot for that. And then in the next tree that was also chrome is literally just the front and backs of custom looking wheels. I'll just put them aside and use them on another vehicle because I'm not putting them on this. And then we have decals and instructions, it looks like. Yep. Here's the decals. Kind of nice. It's similar to the box art there, if you can see that. I'll pull it up for you so you can see it again. That type of decals. They include one that goes right across the roof. Yeah. Here's a dash trim panel, and here's the little gauges. That's very cool. Some miscellaneous badging and lights and things. This is neat for the shifter. UPR NDLs. Some license plates. We have Illinois, Michigan, and just a Firebird. It says 2021. The box said, what was it, 2019? That's funny. Oh, seat belts are decals too now. Okay. A couple of birds. Not for the hood though, because those are way too small. Oh, I guess it goes right on the nose. So I guess it kind of goes on the hood. But that's it for decals. Nothing real special there. Some nice decals, but whatever. And here we have the instructions with a little bit of write-up on the car itself, the actual car. I'll go ahead and focus on that a little bit. You guys can pause it if you want. Oh, it's another language there and another language there. So this is all you get in English. So there you go. Then we have the usual before you begin, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And inside we have the parts ledger. We have a painting guide, which is always cool, helpful. Let's see if we have 2 parts ledgers. Yep. Or is this one in another language? Oh no, 3 languages. French and Italian, it looks like. Plus English. And it was made in Germany, so that's even funnier. Alrighty. Put our tires together, wheels, and the custom wheels, which are those other wheels. So the pad printed ones are for the stock rims. There's something we just learned. Alright. Because our back tire is larger than the fronts. I didn't notice that, but that's what they're saying. Put the front end together, axle. Here's your engine. Kind of a basic engine. Not a whole lot to this kit. I hope it goes together well. If I remember, I think I heard somebody was saying that there's some fitment issues on this kit. I don't know. I haven't built this one yet, so ever. And so yeah, obviously I didn't build this one. I just opened it, but I've never built the 70 Firebird from Revell. There's the interior. I want you to put the decals on at this time. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, here's the air cleaner piece that I was talking about. So it does attach to the part that sticks through the hood, this piece here, but then it's going to glue down, so that doesn't go. This piece doesn't raise up and down with the hood. It stays attached to the air cleaner, and it's put on from reverse there. Okay. This right here looks like a Pontiac Ventura front end. That's kind of funny. I never realized how similar they looked. Ventura was Pontiac's version of the Nova, for those of you that don't know. And Buick had a car called the Apollo, and Pontiac was the Ventura. Buick was the Apollo, Chevy was the Nova. I'm missing one. What am I missing? Nova, N-O-V-A. Nova, Omega, Ventura was Pontiac, and Buick Apollo. Oldsmobile, Omega, that's the one I couldn't think of. Okay, just full of it today, huh? Alrighty, so we put our mirrors on, put the rear end all together, and then some decal placement, 20 steps, not too bad. And if you wanted to do the different paint scheme, they give you that option too. That's very nice. Very cool. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. It's kind of a quick one. But I want to thank you all for stopping by. Please be sure to go out and check out my other videos. Check out my channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.